Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting new concept that could revolutionize our understanding of how living organisms grow when faced with limited resources. For years, scientists have been puzzled over how cells manage to grow under varying nutritional conditions. While the availability of nutrients and energy is crucial for growth, the intricate web of cellular mechanisms also plays a significant role. Until recently, most research focused on individual nutrients or specific biochemical pathways. However, the big picture of how all these processes work together, particularly under resource constraints, remained elusive. Enter researchers Tetsuhiro S. Hatakeyama and Jumpei F. Yamagishi. They've introduced a groundbreaking concept called the Global Constraints Principle for microbial growth. This new framework could reshape how we understand biological systems. Traditionally, since the 1940s, microbiologists have used the Monod equation to describe microbial growth, which suggests that as nutrients are added, growth rates rise until they plateau. This model, however, assumes only one nutrient or biochemical reaction limits growth at a time, which oversimplifies the reality where cells juggle thousands of chemical processes simultaneously. Hatakeyama and Yamagishi argue that the traditional model only scratches the surface. Instead of a single bottleneck, cell growth is influenced by a complex network of constraints that interact to slow growth as nutrients accumulate. The global constraints principle explains that when one limiting factor, like a nutrient, is alleviated, other constraints, such as enzyme production, cell size, or membrane space, begin to take over. Using a method called constraint-based modeling, the researchers simulated how cells allocate and manage their internal resources. Their findings revealed that while each additional nutrient contributes to microbial growth, its benefit gradually diminishes, with each addition being less effective than the last. This new principle combines two foundational biological laws, the Monod equation and Liebig's law of the minimum, which states that plant growth is limited by the scarcest nutrient. By merging these concepts, the researchers created a stepped barrel model where new limiting factors emerge at different stages as nutrient availability increases. Hatakeyama likens this to an updated version of Liebig's famous barrel analogy, where the barrel expands in steps, each representing a new limiting factor that becomes active as the cell's growth rate increases. The implications of this discovery are vast. It could lead to more efficient microbial production in biotechnology, enhance crop yields through better nutrient management, and develop stronger models for predicting ecosystem responses to climate change. Future research might explore how this principle applies to various organisms and how multiple nutrients interact to influence growth. The Global Constraints Principle offers a fresh framework for understanding growth without modeling every molecule or reaction in detail. By laying the groundwork for universal growth laws, we move closer to comprehending how cells, ecosystems, and entire biological environments respond to environmental changes. This research marks a step toward a comprehensive framework for understanding the limits of life's growth. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to learn more about the wonders of science, subscribe to Science Hub for more fascinating content.